Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1994 Impala SS. These cars came two colors, black and burgundy. Personally, I like the black a lot. Super straight body, completely stock except for the Bluetooth that's been added. Gray leather interior. It's got about 76,000 miles on it now. Runs and drives fantastic. These 90s cars are really coming up in value. Super straight body. Very comfortable driver. Gray leather. Added Bluetooth. Dash pad. Any room in the back seat. Factory spoiler. It's got a hand-painted stripe on it too. Really nice. It's just about 80,000 miles. Digital dash, fully loaded, power locks, windows, mirrors, heated seat. No, tilt seat. Factory stereo, and it's got the added Sony Bluetooth. It's actually a disc changer, not Bluetooth. It's got the buckets. Super nice interior. Runs and drives great. Completely stock under the hood. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.